All right, in this activity, you're going to be looking at the relationship between electric field and distance from a charged particle. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to untick the electric field box, and you're going to tick the grid box. Then you're going to place a positive charge somewhere on the left side of the screen. Then you're going to move the sensor so that it is moving closer or away from the charge, depending how you want to do it, doesn't matter. But here's the sensor, okay? And you want to be able to see the values of the sensor, so you're going to turn on the values. You notice that as the electric field gets closer, it gets stronger, indicated by the vector. So as it's further away, yes, here. So notice that you want to be along the same line. So I'm going to try to set this sensor at the 0-degree mark, and at different distances, I'm going to measure the electric field, which is measured in newtons per coulomb or volts per meter. Either one are the same units. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a plot eventually of electric field E in either, you can call it newtons per coulomb or volts per meter, versus distance. So to measure the distance between two of the big squares is 1 meter, given by the scale down here in the lower half. So at a distance of, looks like 2.5 meters, 2.5 meters, I'm going to arrange this so that it's as close to 0.0 as possible. Okay, so it's right in line, 0.0 degrees. It has a value of 1.4 volts per meter or newtons per coulomb. At 2 meters, it's 2.16 newtons per coulomb. At 1.5 meters, it's 3.86 newtons per coulomb or volts per meter. Okay. And you notice that the value is getting bigger. So I'm going to make sure that that is always, that sensor is always set at 0 degrees. Now you guys don't have to do it at 0 degrees. You could do it at, you could decide that you want to do it at 32.8 degrees, but you have to go in the same line so that you're always at 32.8 degrees. So you want to make sure you're going along the same electric field line, and you can be getting further away from it or closer to it, but you want to get at least 10 different, well, let's see. Let's try to get 8 to 10 data points.